Welcome to Chinatown, people, yeah? So yeah, man, we're just gonna go and get some food right now, quickly. There's bars, there's clubs, there's food, vegan, gluten-free. Look at this, some peanuts this gentleman just making here on the side. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Once you get into London, you know, people, you know, you don't have to, like, you can come up here and just be like, I want to get some food. You don't specifically have to, what country you from?
Tunisia, North Africa.
Oh, Tunisia?
Yeah. Tunisia,
okay.
All of us, we are Tunisia.
Big up, big up. Are you enjoying your trip here in London?
Yeah, what are you doing for TikTok?
Here in London.
You have a cigarette?
London, very good. Wallah, very good.
Yes.
You speak English, Arabic, no? No.
There's loads of things to do down here in Chinatown, people, yeah? Good vibes. Yeah, patting it up, please. Patting it up. Some salt and pepper chicken there. Good vibes. That is it. The castle's defense. Kings and queens added to this castle over many centuries. Today, visitors can explore the ancient walls and towers built to protect the White Tower, people, yeah? You understand? This grass ditch was... This is a tourist place, you know, so... You see this part of London where we are? A lot of people are out with their cameras taking pictures. You understand? It's busy out here. You understand, people, yeah? So... Everyone wants to take a picture, everyone wants to say that and show that they've been here. Huh?
You want a beer?
A beer?
Yeah?
No, I'm alright. No. What's London Bridge like?
Huh?
Tell me a little bit about London. What's
London?
Yeah, what's your
my first time, bro.
Today's your first time?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Kuwait.
Kuwait?
Yeah.
Time I have to show you lot the adventure, you know, and show you what Ringo At, you know. A good vibes. Just stay tuned, big up yourself, yeah. We've almost fed 10,000 people, yeah. That is it. Guess what, go on. The marathon continues, yeah. And the mission is to feed 1 million people. And you guys have been absolutely amazing so far on the journey, yeah. I want you guys to just like, comment, subscribe, make sure that you put your input, because your input is so important to Ringo Vision, you understand? And the whole family, just to know that we're all interacting with each other, people, yeah. We're outside right now, yeah. Our good vibes. We ain't been on the travels for a little while, people, yeah. Busy platform, we're outside, you understand, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, we're just on a journey. I'm not even telling you where we're going, we're just doing some things today. And the camera's rolling, you understand? And the train just reached, people, yeah, that is it.
The next station is Selhurst.
Next one, people, so we're on the train right now, so yeah man, I'm gonna show you the destination when we reach the destination. Good vibes, but anyway, how is everybody? I hope everybody's good and well. That is it. I'm not gonna take up too much time because you don't know, so we're just on a train ride right now, yeah. Good vibes. Good vibes, people, yeah man. So we've just done the little train ride. We'll come out. We'll show you what platform, like what station we'll come out at, people, yeah. As soon as spin the camera around, we'll soon jump out, people, yeah. Good vibes. Right, I haven't shown you guys the Shard before, you know, on camera. 24-hour kitchen Ringo Vision with there, you know. Yeah man, we just come out at London Bridge Station, people, yeah. Good vibes. We'll spin the camera around, show you where we are. Yeah man, that is it. We're gonna be venturing through London today, people, yeah. Good vibes. Bridge is one of them big stations there in London as well. Very busy, got a lot of attraction, but at night time right now, or evening, Saturday night, people, yeah, good vibes. Look out for this one, you know, pure vibes. Once again, these are busy London bridges, bare tunnels to go to different places. You understand, people, yeah? That is it. Out here, Louise. Good vibes.
I started on Wednesday.
Yeah man, so we're outside, people, yeah. As you can see, we're in London Bridge. As we come out, there's homeless people outside the station, yeah man. Good vibes though. And we're out on a mission today, people, yeah. Big up yourself. Good vibes. So we're walking right now. One second. Yeah man, we're just outside right now, good vibes.
Happy as well. I'm saying that's why you have to get the moringa thing, bro.
Yeah. So look, it's too early, people, yeah, so we're going over the bridge. We might as yeah, we might as well just go over the bridge. And I've never brought you lot over London Bridge on foot, people, yeah, so yeah, man, we're taking a little walk over London Bridge. It's busy out here, Sedway, still, you know. Yeah, man. That's the Shard building there, yeah. The tallest building in England. Let me zoom into it. That is it. Alright, let's go. We're on the movement. Bare little takeaway burger, hot dog and all them kind of things there. You understand? Outside, so let's go, man. Because our good vibes, big up yourself. Something else here representing London Bridge. Number 1 London Bridge there. Hey Reese, should we go through here quickly? Down there? Across more London. Yeah, let me show them the warships quickly.
That shop, though, restaurant.
Yeah, we got to. Let me just go through the middle.
We'll go all the way around. Obviously, that's a quick cut through to like East London. Either way, bro, let's have to cross that bridge.
You're right.
Let's cross the bridge here. You know what I'm saying?
All right, people. So that's more London in there. But come, we just cut through there quickly and come back on.
You on this side?
I just want to show them the warship. Yeah. I'm gonna show you guys the warship from this side here quickly. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, our good vibes. Yes, people. So our good vibes. So we're in London City right now. Yeah, on foot. Look, that's an Uber boat there, people. Yeah, Uber boat taking you across the River Thames. So yeah, man, let's walk down, people. Yeah, down these steps. Yeah, our good vibes. That is it. These steps here are mad because they're slanted, so you have to go down them sideways, you know. Sideways steps, mad thing, you know. But yeah, man, we're walking through the thing, people, yeah. And it's just a walk through. What, my brother? Are you good, yeah?
You want a big beer, bro?
Huh?
You want a beer?
A beer? Yeah. No, I'm alright. No. What's London Bridge like?
Huh?
Tell me a little bit about London. What's
London?
Yeah, what's your
My first time, bro. My first time, you know.
Today's your first time?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Kuwait.
Kuwait?
Yeah.
Okay, welcome to London.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Welcome to London.
you, Mama.
Welcome to London.
Have a joint, man?
Sorry, bro.
Welcome to London.
Smoke your joint, yeah?
You from Kuwait as well, yeah?
No, I'm from Libya, brother.
Libya?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. First day?
No, it's
God,
2 days.
can we
days.
choose one beer and one cigarette?
Yo, Morocco.
Morocco?
Yeah.
What's it like here in London?
You have a
so far?
cigarette?
London very good.
Cigarette.
Wallah, very good.
Yes.
You want to smoke
Speak
cigarette?
English, Arabic, no? No
I'm
problem.
Muslim as
Okay.
well.
Alright, people, big up yourself. We just met some gentlemen here.
Arabic.
It's their first time in
Sorry.
London. Big up yourself. A good vibe. We're outside, man.
you,
That is it. Yes, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, we're just on the journey, people, yeah. I just quickly want to show you guys the ship in the distance, yeah, quickly, yeah. We're in London. That I, you know, good vibes. There's people out, people, yeah, coming from their night outs. You understand? Their weekends out. Some people are coming home, going home. Some people are going out. You understand? A good vibe. But we outside, Sedway. Just thought I'd show you the side of the building. That's right here on the River Thames, people, yeah. All right, we're heading towards the ship. Good vibes. See, we're reaching a bit closer, everybody, yeah. Good vibes. So yeah, man, let's go. Let's keep going. So if we get closer, a nice little view of the ship, people. Yeah. As you can see, people are having their dinner on the River Thames, Sedway, people. Yeah, good vibes. Can come and have a look at fish and chips on the River Thames, you know, people, yeah? Yeah, man, good vibes, that is it. Alright, so let me do a little bit of explanation, yeah? So, where we've just come from over there, yeah, is London Bridge. And London Bridge is right opposite this bridge here, which is Tower Bridge, people, yeah? And then we've got the warship that's just situated just right here in between the two bridges. And where we are, as we've been walking through the pathway here, as you can see along the River Thames here, there's loads of little night bars and things and places where you can eat. You understand? It's like a little attraction and a little night out. You understand, people, yeah? So especially in the daytime, you can imagine how busy it is as well. Our good vibes. HMS Belfast people, yeah. See how there, the ship, you understand? Our good vibes, we're there so people, yeah. So obviously in the daytime, yeah, you could probably come here. You can come here in the daytime and you can go on board the ship. So maybe one time we're gonna come back in the daytime, yeah, and go on board and show you guys what's on board, everybody, yeah, and how it all looks. So man, so right now, more London Riverside, yeah. So that's where we are right now. It's got the Design Museum, City Hall, Tower Bridge, and Pottersfield Park to the left, and where we're coming from over here, yeah, is London Bridge, Hayes Gallery, and London Bridge City Pier people, yeah. You understand? So that's that direction where we're coming from, and as the sign said, this is towards Tower Bridge, everybody, yeah. So our good vibes, big up yourself, yeah, man. And this is called More London as well, where we're actually standing. It's like a little borough within itself, and this is where the mayor's office is as well, people, yeah. It's around here, so let's walk around and I'll show you where that is as well. Our good vibes. So look, right opposite us here, yeah, is the Tower of London, which is just opposite there, yeah. And they say, well, I'd up with them there, you know? Yeah, man, and the Queen's Jewels as well. Well, the King's Jewels now, it's not, I don't think it's the Queen's Jewels though, but I swear it's the King's Jewels now, isn't it? Yeah, man, so we're right here, people, yeah. Our good vibes. I'm just walking through, and look, yeah, this is where the mayor's office is, right here. Let me spin the camera around. So right opposite us there, yeah, that's the Tower of London, yeah, where you can go there. That's the next attraction place where you can go to in London. It carries a lot of significant history of London as well, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Right here is this building here is the mayor's office. So this is where the mayor of London. This is where the mayor of London is now. You know that? A theme office up there, sorry, no. Let me just walk up here and show everybody quickly. Yeah, our good vibes. Show you where I am. Third space, restaurants and bars and stuff like that. It's quite a bougie. This is called More London where we are, people, yeah. More London Riverside. So we're in London, yeah, but this little patch that we're in right now, yeah, is actually called More London. So, yeah, man, this is where the mayor's office is. These buildings here, you understand? In this proximity here, they call it More London, and as you can see, yeah, it's situated right beside Tower Bridge, and the other side is London Bridge, and in the middle of it, it's got HMS, and that's the warship, people, yeah. All right, so yeah, man. And then behind us there, the tall building where we're coming from outside the station is the Shard, which is the tallest building in Europe, in the UK right now, people, yeah. Our good vibes. We're gonna walk back round. That is it. Yeah, man, I hope you guys are enjoying the little movement so far. We've not yet reached our destination of where we're actually going, people, yeah, so just stay on the movement. But I'm just showing you where we're out right now. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section, people, yeah. And look, we need to get to 15K. You understand? Let's build and grow our family members, yeah. And remember, the mission continues, yeah, helping the homeless and helping the needy. And as you've seen, yeah, even though we're on a day out and whatnot, I've spun the camera around and I've seen a few homeless people as I've been out on my journeys, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, you don't know, say, I'm also looking out if there's homeless people within these parts of London as well, people, yeah. Our good vibes. So look at this, let me show you what they've got going on. This right here, there's a lot of attraction here. It's night time as well, no, but it's busy. It's busy right out here right now, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Tower Bridge there. You understand? We're just right in the little proximity, people, yeah. Yeah, man, we're on the movement, people, yeah. Big up yourself. These are all little places, little shacks where you can get food in the daytime. I think this one's the only one that's open. But yeah, man, there's loads of them across the strip, people, yeah, across the River Thames here on this side. You understand? Let's keep it moving, people, yeah, our good vibes. Right now, coming out them, I spread love and spread beer energy, like I said. It's quite busy out here today, people. It's a busy evening. Yeah, man, our good vibes. There's loads of bars and restaurants and things to do out here, so definitely, it is definitely a place to come and just see for yourself, just to get a feel of the energy and the atmosphere in this part of London, people, yeah. It's very much different from other places that Ringo Vision is taking you to. Yeah, man. Quickly, yeah, there's communities of people around here gathering, playing their own music, doing their own thing. You understand, people, yeah? So there's bare things going on out there, out here. There's bare vibes. You understand? That is it, our good vibes. These bridges are so amazing, and they've got such amazing structure to them as well. If you go up close and you see the designs and the structure, the architecture of these bridges, people, yeah. Yeah, man, we outside, man, our good vibes, man. So I pass through the place, you know. Yeah, man, that is it, Ringo Vision. You don't know, so we're on the movement, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Everybody's out, enough people's out. Bare happy faces, bare smiles and whatnot, you understand? People just doing their own thing, you understand? And we're doing our own thing. So big up yourself, everybody that's on the journey. Our good vibes. Yeah, man, more London people, yeah. From London Bridge to Tower Bridge, people, yeah. That's the distance. It's just a walking distance, you understand? You see the dragon up here, the gargoyle them pan the bridge them. You understand? Me zoom in. I'm asking you about the architecture. So we're right underneath Tower Bridge, people, yeah? And this is the closest you guys will get to it if you are other parts of the road. You understand? So let me get as close to it as possible. We're gonna be on top of it right now and then walk across it, people, yeah, to the other side, you understand? And we're coming from all the way down there, which is London Bridge. We came out of the station there, which has got the Shard right outside London Bridge station, people, yeah? Yeah, man, our good vibes, and we're gonna go up the steps here, and these steps here will take us up onto Tower Bridge, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Like I said, there's loads of things out here, places you can do. There's street food, there's them peanuts out here, vegan, gluten-free. Look at this, some peanuts this gentleman just making here on the side. Yeah, man, our good vibes. Is this pistachios, just normal nuts?
Peanuts and almonds, mate.
Yeah, good vibes. Alright, so we wait our turn to go up the steps, people, yeah? And where we're gonna reach up on top of Tower Bridge. So our good vibes, let's go. It's like we've come into a whole complete different area, and it is a different area that we've come into. So we're now right here. This is Tower Bridge, people, yeah, where we are right now. And we was just down there coming across from London Bridge, which is the other bridge right opposite us, people, yeah. So our good vibes. We're out, we're in central London, we're in London, from London Bridge to Tower Bridge, people, yeah. As you can see, it's busy down there. So I was just showing you, this is where we all just come from, you understand? And that's the ship there that I took you guys on. We just sailed across River Thames and came back, and we'll park up, and now we're gonna just venture across the bridge, people, yeah? Our good vibe, one love, let's go. This is a tourist place, you know, so you see this part of London where we are, a lot of people are out with their cameras taking pictures. You understand, it's busy out here. You understand, people, yeah? So everyone wants to take a picture, everyone wants to say that and show that they've been here, they're on Tower Bridge, London Bridge. You understand? So yeah, man, we just walk through the place. Very good vibes. I'm just showing you different parts of the bridge as we're gonna. This is like the middle of the bridge here that we're crossing, people, yeah. And yeah, man, we've got the River Thames down there, people, yeah. A good vibe. Just keep going. You know, say London carries a lot of history, yeah. Especially when we're going back from World War One, World War Two. These bridges that we're walking across would have been destroyed. You understand? Bridges like London Bridge, Tower Bridge, London Bridge is burning down. You understand? If you don't know the story, you understand? So it's a bit of light's just cutting through Subway, and I think we can go in here as well, you know, in the bridge in the daytime as well. So as you can see, right here on Tower Bridge as well, yeah, this part of the bridge, because it's like you can go inside, I think, and you can walk across. It's like an attraction as well, where you could probably just buy a ticket, explore inside Tower Bridge. There you go. So we're gonna walk to the tower where people can go and buy their tickets in the daytime and explore the bridge. You can actually explore the bridge as well. As you can see, inside it's got thick walls. Inside, you understand, come like you can walk across upstairs as well. So this is like a ticket office here. Proper windy and proper cold out here as well, people, yeah. But yeah, man, we're doing this, the adventures with Ringo Vision, people, yeah. Our good vibes. Yeah, man, we're right here. Explore inside Tower Bridge, the entrance, you understand? You can go around here and we can see the entrance said way. Okay, so look. As you can see there, that's the ticket prices. Adults, £13, disabled, student, senior, child, disabled child. You understand? Different type of prices, people, yeah, are good vibes. Bit of information if you are in London or if you are in the UK. So this information will be useful. The opening and close times and prices are good vibes. So we've reached a bit closer towards Tower Bridge now, Tower of London, which is right there. All right, let's go. So perfect view where we are right now. It's quite windy as well, everybody, yeah. So, but let me show you quickly, yeah. We're coming from over there, which is more London, and the Shard, which is right there. And we're right here right now on Tower Bridge, everybody, yeah. And right opposite us here, where we was, is London Bridge. So as you can see there, let me zoom in a bit. And as you can see, that London Bridge is the other bridge. London Bridge is burning down, people, and that's the bridge that's right opposite Tower Bridge, people, yeah. And we're here. The River Thames is right here, people, yeah. Yeah, man, let's keep the journey going, people, and keep moving. A look a bit at inside of London Bridge and Tower Bridge, people, yeah. Yeah, man, it carries a lot of significant history here in this place. If you look at the buildings, a lot of the buildings are listed buildings that are here. That can't be touched. If you look at the designs, them as well, people, yeah, we're just walking through. Yeah, man, even the bridge itself has got its own designs. This bridge here is white and blue, people, yeah. Yeah, man, are good vibes. Right, so we're gonna go underneath the subway, everyone, yeah. Yeah, man, are good vibes. So we're entering some steps and we're just gonna go down and show you where we reach. When we reach down, people, as you can see, look, that's where we're coming from. And this is where we're going, everybody, yeah? Yeah, man. A good vibes, big up yourself. Can't you go this way? All right, everybody. Yeah. So this is where we are actually. Yeah. Is the Tower of London. Yeah, as well. It's right here. But let's go around. We can't cross. All right. We're trying to get over there. All right. This is where we were just coming for this bridge here, which is Tower Bridge, people. Yeah. All right. Big up yourself, man. We're on a movement tonight, people. Yeah. We're just to explore the place right now, and we've got some things to do. There's people just stop in the supermarket quickly, just get a juice. Good vibes, back on the journey again. Wow, so I think this is the closest we're gonna get to the tower and its grounds, everybody, yeah. But it's a good vibes. We've been able to come this close to it and show you guys, yeah. I guess one day we'll try to get in there. Don't have to be able to show cameras and whatnot, or allow cameras, but yeah, man, maybe one day we'll be able to go inside the Tower of London, people, yeah. I've been inside before. It's got a lot of history. You understand? It'd be amazing for you guys to see. So if you ever come to London, try and check out the Tower of London, people. Yeah. All right. A good vibes, and it's right here, situated in between Tower Bridge and London Bridge. Okay. We're gonna go down. We're gonna go down the steps here. A good vibes. So. More peanut, man, on the roadside. A good vibe. So you come out here and get your peanut as well, people, yeah? That is it. A good vibe.
Where's the Queen next door? Oh yeah.
You got the White Tower. And the Tower of London is almost 1,000 years old. It is named after its oldest building, the White Tower. William the Conqueror built the White Tower after he invaded England from northern France in 1066. You understand, people? So look a bit of the history here. The White Tower dominated London and its population. It was a secure fortress, a royal place, and an infamous prison as well. So you can see that this place was also a prison as well, people, yeah. The castle's defense. Kings and queens added to this castle over many centuries. Today, visitors can explore the ancient walls and towers built to protect the White Tower, people, yeah. You understand? This grass ditch was originally a water-filled moat to keep out attackers. King Edward at the first built the outer wall surrounded by the moat to protect the castle in the 1270s. So around here would have been filled with water. So the castle, yeah, would have been surrounded by water, people, yeah. All of this, you understand? So look, guarding the jewels. So look, today the Tower of London protects the crown jewels. In the 1660s, Charles II was the first king to display them to the public at the Tower. A new king or queen uses the crowns and other ceremonial objects when they are crowned. You understand? So remember when Charles was crowned the other day? He would have got everything from here as well, people, yeah? Yeah, man, a good vibe. The fortress once protected weapons and documents. Silver coins were made here for more than 500 years. You understand, people, yeah? A good vibes. How you doing, you alright? Yeah. Enjoying your tour of...
Yeah, that's my bird.
A good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes, good
Show him the
vibes.
booty wiggle. Exactly, son, you see?
Yeah, I'm
God
good,
bless
man.
you, bro.
Bless.
Beautiful gaff, innit?
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, man, people, yeah. So good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. Yeah, man. So just a little description of what's inside, people. Yeah, just come down to Tower of London if you ever get the opportunity, ever get the chance, people. Yeah, good vibes. You can see here some remains of something, some walls. So like they said that this was all surrounded, this was all water at one point, people. Yeah. So yeah, man. This is the Tower Hill subway. To show you under the subway here, people, yeah, good vibes. Okay, so it's got shops underneath there. So could you imagine in the daytime, this will be quite busy as well. It's good that I get to come out here in a quiet period where I can show you guys around properly and show you a little bit of the things and people, yeah. There's some hotels there, that's a hotel there. So this is like this is a gift shop, gift box Britain. So loads of British things inside of this shop, people, yeah. Yeah, man, good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. That is it. Right, so yeah. Tower of London is over there, everybody, yeah. And no, what's this here? Let me see, loads of things, you know. 1 second. Alright everyone, so where we are right now, yeah, is outside Tower Hill train station underground, yeah, which is right here. The station entrance is just around here, and then behind us, through this little park here, like a little park where people can come in the evenings, daytimes, just chill out, literally. Got London Bridge right there. Bust you, yeah? Alright, come. Alright, we'll just bust you, people, yeah? Good vibes. Alright, so where we are right now, yeah? It's night time, but we're in Trinity Square Gardens, people, yeah, and it's right opposite the Tower of London. So this is like Trinity Square Gardens here. Good vibes. When you're in this part of London, people, yeah, you get to see some nice vehicles as well. So, yeah, man, I'll be showing you guys them as and when I pass them, everybody, yeah. Good vibes, big up yourself. It's a Bentley there. Look at that, good vibes.
Yeah.
Weatherspoon's pub here. Belly feels a little bit peckish, people, yeah, looking at some menus, see what we can have to eat, you understand? Good vibes though. It's London, so now I'm gonna find no yard food, but we're gonna find some different type of food. So yeah, man, that's on the mission as well, people, yeah. You gonna get something there?
I don't mind.
It's up to you, I don't mind, or we can just keep on the journey. It's up to you. Yes, people, so yeah, man, big up yourself. So cutting through the place right now, everyone, yeah. We are feeling a little bit peckish, so we might stop somewhere, get some food to eat, people, yeah. Good vibes. Alright, everyone, so where we've reached right now, yeah. So this is London Bridge, so we've walked straight across the adventures that we've been on. This is where we initially started off at the beginning of this bridge here, everybody, yeah, which is London Bridge. But yeah, man, we're on adventures right now, people, yeah. Good vibes, big up yourself. There's an underground station here right now as well, people, yeah, which is I never can pronounce this station here, but that's it. Monument. Underground, people, yeah. Right here, son. Good vibes. bank. That's where we're the people, yeah. Right at the bank. And this is the bank underground station people, yeah. Just cutting through London people, yeah. Good vibes. And as you can see from we came out of London Bridge, we've been on foot. That is it. Cannon Street people, yeah. So bank is just right there. As you can see, bank is there. And Cannon Street is right next to it, the underground station. So you can see that when you're in London, a lot of the things them are more or less connected to each other, people, and close as well to each other. Good vibes, big up yourself. Alright, Ree said he's never gone up here before still, yeah. Alright, so look, had to stop here people, yeah. St. Paul's Cathedral people, yeah. So yeah man, if you know about St. Paul's Cathedral, you understand, this is somewhere where you definitely, if you come to London, yeah, try and come and visit St. Paul's Cathedral people, yeah. It will be a very interesting sight. In the daytime you can see them waters there. Good vibes. We're right outside St. Paul's people, yeah, Cathedral, good vibes. If you ever get the opportunity, yeah, you must come to St. Paul's, yeah, to see the array of art and architecture right here at St. Paul's people, yeah. It's night time, but if you ever come here, it carries a lot of history and a lot of artwork people, yeah. You must come to St. Paul's people, yeah. Good vibes. I have to catch this phone box people, yeah, because the phone box is just out here. Like, how come there's a one phone box out here? We've never gone inside of a British phone box. Wow. It's just, this is a British phone box people, yeah. Let's make a phone call to Ringo Vision and everyone that's listening. One love people, yeah. Good vibes. That is it. Yeah, good vibes everybody, yeah. So we just made a phone call in a British phone box people, yeah. That is it. That bus there is taking us to Victoria. Yeah man, good vibes. Here's a theatre. So if you ever want to bring your kids to the theatre, this is like a popular theatre people, yeah. So yeah man, the Lion King, this has been here since 1834, yeah. The Lincoln Theatre. So yeah man, come and pass through people, yeah. We're in town, we're just venturing through people, yeah. Good vibes, that is it. Yes, people, we're on the move. That is it. Bikes and cars. It's a busy road right now. Yeah, man. So we're up on a journey, people. Yeah. So stay tuned with us. Oh, yo, big bus coming through. That is it. All right, everybody. If you know about Savoy, yeah, this is like one of the richest hotels in Strand. Quite expensive to stay here per night, anything from £800 up into the thousands, people, yeah? Yeah, man, good vibes, big up yourself. We're outside. So we're getting to a little bit of lively central people, yeah? So, yeah, man, in London you can get yourself one of these buggies here. Look at it, they're having the fun of their time, fun of their life, fun of their time. Our good vibes, you know. I'm having a good vibes as well, people, yeah? We outside. Yeah, man, that is it. People are having fun out here, people, yeah? Wow. Alright, so as we step into town, you can see that there's a bit of homeless people out here. So you don't know, say Ringo Vision is always on the mission. So it's good to know that as I walk closer and closer into the busy part of town, did see a homeless man there. Let's go, people, yeah? We're on a mission, people, yeah? Alright, we're gonna get something sweet at least 1 second. Alright, everyone, so look, where we just reached, yeah, is Charing Cross. We're right at Charing Cross station, people, yeah? Good vibes. Big old Charing Cross. That is it. If you know about the Monopoly board, yeah, man, check it out. The Monopoly board. Charing Cross is on the Monopoly board. Ringo Vision and the whole of us, we're there at Charing Cross, people, yeah? Cutting through said way. Our good vibes. I don't know, the name just stood out. Wizards and Wonders. Okay. Just quickly walk in there, quickly. Alright. It's a clothes shop. A good vibes. Come quick. Mad thing. Busy now, you know. Alright, people, where we landed right now, yeah, is in Trafalgar Square, people, yeah. If you check out on our videos, maybe about 2 years ago, you saw that I cooked pigeon up here, right at Trafalgar Square, people, yeah. So big up yourself. I'm gonna spin the camera around. Yeah, man, we're right here at Trafalgar Square, people, yeah. We've been walking today. We've been traveling today. Yeah, man, just a walk and I travel through London, people, yeah. And we're doing some things. I'm looking for food right now. I feel a bit hungry. I'm not gonna lie. So let's go and get some food in a little while as well. That is it. Yes, people. So look, big gathering out here at Trafalgar Square. Loads of people out here. It's night time. You understand? Big old lion here. You understand? The Lion of Judah, King Rastafari, Selassie. You understand, people? Yeah. Give thanks and praises every time. You see it? That is it. Big old congregation up here at Trafalgar Square, people, yeah. People having their own little vibes out here. Yeah, man. Loads of little gathering spots here at Trafalgar Square, people, yeah. Yeah, man, are good vibes. That's the museum there right behind us as well. It's the National History Museum or Science Museum, one of them anyway. So yeah, I think so. But yeah, come and check it out. I've been in that museum there before as well. But my brain's a little bit muddled up right now. Good vibes.
No problem.
No problem. Up.
Okay, can I sit?
Yeah, go up. Go on, up. Yes, up. That is it. You made it. Yeah, man, what's it like out here in Trafalgar Square?
Fucking vibes, bro. You know, see this?
Chilling.
20 man. Vibes.
So what's been going on today? Where you lot from?
East.
East, yeah?
Norms.
What do you lot get up to on a night like tonight?
We're drinking, smoking, but you know, everything, G.
Come on. So you say all the man them are out here tonight, yeah?
21 up there, a couple man coming more, like 10.
Yeah?
It's live, bro.
And you looking to spend a night in Trafalgar Square, yeah?
Happy, standard.
Come on.
What you up to, though?
Now, I'm just out vlogging, checking out the area, the scenery and whatnot. You understand? We're looking for some food right now.
Huh?
We're gonna go and get some food right now. Probably some, I don't know.
Fuck it, anything.
Anything good, anything good.
Anything's good right now.
Big up you, man, yeah?
You too, bro.
Love. We say line bike it, yeah?
Bike, bro.
Come on. London City, you know, we're outside people, yeah? Our good vibes. The mighty lion people, yeah? Right here, Trafalgar Square. We're outside. season where we're going to be seeing Christmas trees, people, yeah. So, yeah, man, I think this is like the second one from the other one that we saw today. So far, people, yeah, and the lights are on in London as well, people, yeah. So, good vibes. Another station that we reached, Piccadilly Circus, people, yeah. Good vibes, that is it. London city, people, yeah. We're outside right now. Good vibes though. We're gonna look for some food, something to eat. Last time we come up to Piccadilly, people, and up these sides, we was in 2 clubs. We never get no food. But now we are looking for some food, people, yeah. That is it, our good vibes. There is so much things to do in London. It's such a busy place. Full of tourists, clubs, food restaurants, attraction places, name it. Yeah, in London City, there's so much to do. Right now, we're looking for some food to eat right now on the journey, people, yeah. Our good vibes. A lot of people are out here in London right now, just on a night out, you understand? Our good vibes. So, once you get into London, you know, people, you know, you don't have to, like, you can come up here and just be like, I want to get some food. You don't specifically have to have a specific place where you want to eat, but you can just come out and, you understand, you'll find food, you'll find things to do. If you know what you want to do, if it's food, you can come out and find food. If it's club, you can come out and find club. If it's just like sightseeing, you can come out and definitely do that. We're entering Chinatown right now, yeah. See if we can find some food down in Chinatown, people, yeah. Our good vibes. One of these spots there, yeah. Yeah, can we bang one of these little local Chinese spots? This one here, yeah. Welcome to Chinatown, people, yeah. So yeah, man, we're just gonna go and get some food right now, quickly. There's bars, there's clubs, there's food places. There's loads of things to do down here in Chinatown, people, yeah. Our good vibes. There, yeah. The buffet, yeah. Come go over there then.
Why are you filming?
Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. That is it. How's Chinatown?
Outside London, yeah.
How's London then? How's London? Good?
Good, weird vibe, still good, you know.
What country from?
Tunisia, North Africa.
You know
Oh, Tunisia?
Yeah. Tunisia,
Okay.
all of us, we are Tunisia.
Big up, big up. Are you enjoying your trip here in London?
What are you doing for TikTok?
YouTube.
YouTube.
No, YouTube.
Which kind of YouTube?
You scared of YouTube?
What are you asking? Like?
Just visit a good vibes. I think we're gonna go to this buffet here now. Food good. Loud, yeah? I'm getting inside. Alright, yeah, so
Takeaway as well.
take away, yeah.
Please, yeah, the counter down there. Thank you.
Do you have a bathroom I can use quickly? Can you use the bathroom first?
Downstairs.
Okay. All right. So let me wash. Let me. I want to wash my hands.
Cash?
Cash. I'll pay cash.
Yeah.
Can I wash my hands?
Yeah, downstairs.
Okay. Thank you. Yes, people. So yeah, man. It's a buffet. You can get prawns. You can get some noodles. I'm gonna have some noodles, people. Yeah. Keep it simple. Spring rolls, sweet potato, fish, pork, satay, chicken and black bean sauce, roasted chicken there, some sweet and sour chicken here as well. So I'm gonna try everybody here and give you guys a verdict. A good vibes, pick up yourself. Yeah, man. So I just in Chinatown, people. Yeah. And I'm gonna get myself some Chinese takeaway, a good vibes, and that is it. So when you come to Chinatown, you can come and check these out because they got a buffet here, people. Yeah, yeah, man, a good vibes. That is it. Yeah, pattern it up, please. Pattern it up. Some salt and pepper chicken there. Good vibes. That is it. Chinatown with them. That's good. That's good. That's good. Chinatown with their people. Yeah. We got some shrimps there as well. Some prawns. That is it. All right, people. Yeah, that is it. A good vibe. So, thank you very much. Can I get one more tissue, please? Outside, we're there, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibe. Chinatown people, yeah. Big up yourself. So we're gonna tuck in right now. Yeah, man, that is it. Chinatown is busy, people, yeah. Remember, say in London when you see them little vehicles there, them little bike thing there, you can jump on them and go to different various locations. You understand, like taxi. You understand? A good vibes. Chinatown, London, people, yeah. Yeah, man, it's been a good day. We just nyam the little box food. You understand? Little takeaway thing. You understand? Just slap that away quickly. And we have some more energy in our body, our good vibes. Remember the W Hotel we was here a few weeks back, people, yeah? Alright, check the videos them out. Our good vibes. Good night out, good night out. Good night out.
But also, it's partly...
quite like going out.
Exactly, yeah. It's like...
Out in the place with all people, yeah, man. Live, busy Piccadilly people, yeah. Spin the camera around and show you where I'm going. Yeah, man, bare people out. There's so much things to do. Food places, clubs, walkabouts, sightseeing at night. Yeah, because London's that place that is just so busy, you understand? Yeah, man, a good vibes. Enough people line up to go into the casino, people, yeah? A good vibes. It's a good vibes outside, but it's not a good vibes. It's a hippodrome. They're going partying. People, we've done the local movement, passed through London. We started off, you understand? We're on our East Croydon. You understand? We jump out at London Bridge, people, yeah. St Paul's Cathedral, all of them places there. You don't know, remember the movement, giving back to the local community, helping the homeless. The marathon continues same way, people, yeah. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, people, yeah. And big up yourself, and don't forget to subscribe. Leave the notification, you understand? Or else I'll go and send them boys here for you. And I send the paramedics to come and get you because something not right. You understand? So if you don't put on your notification, I might have to send them people there to come and check in on you people, yeah? Cause something not fit right. Big up yourself people, yeah? One love, 24-hour kitchen, good vibes, and we're there.
This station has step-free access. This is a Victoria Line train to Brixton.
Very noisy, yeah, being on the London Underground. Yeah man, I'm good guys, we're doing a good journey today. Yeah man, that's it. We're gonna get this underground here to Brixton and I'm coming out and people here. That is a good vibes.
This station has step-free access. Please remember to take all your personal belongings with you when you leave the train or change.
Yes everybody, so yeah man, so we're gonna come off of the train right now. Good vibes. This way. My man is sleeping on the escalator. So, yeah man, a good vibes. It's been a long day. Yeah, so we're in Brixton right now and the journey continues. That is it. A good vibes.